Welcome to CarPros. Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Colorado work truck. This four-door truck has a 5-cylinder, 3.7-liter i5 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 81,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and Bluetooth.